Okay, let's unbox the new Cricut Joy Xtra. I'm gonna try it so you don't have to. I was really excited about the Cricut Joy Xtra because I feel like the space on my desk is constantly feeling limited with my Cricut Maker, which is right here. And I'm about to put a printer on this table for cutting stickers. And I feel like 90% of the projects I do just don't require the full Cricut Maker. Like I'm cutting stickers, I'm cutting tumbler wraps, I'm cutting decals, I'm cutting pocket-sized designs, and all of those are more than possible on the Cricut Joy Xtra. And I cut designs for my kids' shirts. Again, Cricut Joy Xtra. Plus, I love all the little pens that come with the Cricut Joy Xtra, and I've just been really excited to try them all out. It still cuts so many different materials. I've just been excited about this one, and I felt like it was time, you know? It's time. It works with smart materials and it can cut up to 8.5 by 11, which is still pretty big. So I'm really excited to try this out. I don't know if I already said this, I love the writing tools that come with the Cricut Joy Xtra. Tons of cool pens. They have like a watercolor pen set. And I just feel like the possibilities for like card making, paper crafts, making labels, stickers, all of those things really excite me about the Cricut Joy Xtra. So let's unbox it and see how she looks. Every time I see an envelope with a little Cricut decal, I just get excited. So we've got our user guide, our little let's get started to activate our machine. We'll be doing that in just a second. We've got our warranty statement and some materials for our very first Cricut Joy project. Okay, she's so cute. I love her. Okay, I'm gonna get all my little cords out of here and we'll kind of go through them in just a second. Not that. It comes with a little pen, very cute. Okay, I think that's everything. I'm just gonna make sure there's nothing under the cardboard. There never is anything under the cardboard, but for some reason, it's like an ongoing fear of mine that like, there will be one day and then I'll throw it away, you know? She's so cute. Okay, so this is the size for reference of the Cricut Joy Xtra. I think it's a really good size. I mean, if you're trying to get into Cricut crafting, this is such a good option because you can still cut a ton of projects, but if you have limited space or limited budget, or you're just not sure if you're gonna like it, this is a great starter machine. I don't wanna like scratch it. I'm just so excited about this one. Okay, we're gonna pull all the little tape pieces off. All the little okay, that's adorable. Love, love. So it does come with a pen, which is awesome because I feel like for a lot of people, that's what you're wanting to try with the Cricut Joy. Okay, it comes with a fine point pen. It comes with a fine point pen. Don't know why that was a tongue twister. And then of course you've got your wall outlet and your connector. We have our Cricut Joy fine point pen. We have our welcome card. We have our power adapter plus our cord, free trial membership to Cricut Access, 50 ready to make projects online, materials for a practice cut. We already looked at those. And then bonus materials. Bonus materials. Is this a bonus material? What are you? You're sharp. I have no clue what this is. I'm gonna have to look it up. All right, we've looked at the box. We've got everything out. I'm going to put away my Cricut Maker and I'm going to plug this bad boy in and let's do our first practice cut. Plug it in the back here and it should. Let's do our let's get started guide. So I'm gonna grab my computer here. Bluetooth, activate at cricut.com/setup. Okay, easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go to cricut.com/setup. Usually setting up a new Cricut machine is easy peasy. So I already went here and it says, do you want to set up a cutting machine or a heat press? So I clicked on cutting machine and then I'm now opening my Cricut Design Space app. and it's gonna try to connect via Bluetooth. So we're gonna hope that it does that really easily. Make sure you've cleared 10 inches of space behind your Cricut Joy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure my power cord's out of the way. And then it says connect power cord. We did that. Use your computer's Bluetooth settings to pair the Cricut Joy Xtra. Oh, there she is. It just popped up. Okay, so we are connected. I'm gonna go back to Cricut Design Space. Now it's giving me the option to continue, so I'm gonna click continue. I agree. I do want to add my Cricut Joy to my list of machines, and then I hit next. So just so you know, there is a little pulsing light on top of the Cricut Joy because the Cricut Joy Xtra has no buttons. So when you plug it in, it turns on, and then it has this little indicator light that has a couple different things on it. So if it's solid, it means it's ready to use. If it's 50%, then at 50% brightness, and that means it's just idling. If it's slow pulsing, it's searching for a Bluetooth connection. Fast pulsing means it's updating. And if it's flashing, it means check out your Cricut app for some further instructions. Red is an error, and of course, if the light is off, then it's not plugged in. Okay, now we get to test our machine. So it says, to make sure your machine is working perfectly, you'll cut this decal with the included piece of black smart vinyl. We'll show you how. Wonderful. Confirm the blade is set in place and the clamp is closed. Check. Use both hands to insert the smart vinyl. Push under guides until the rollers grip the material. Okay. Oh. It's so new to me to not have to press any buttons. There's no load unload button, there's no go button. You actually press go on your computer and it does it for you. That's so much simpler and so different than what I'm used to. And I think I really like it, actually. I love my Cricut Maker, but this is just a very different machine already, and I really enjoy it, especially for quick projects, for smaller projects. I feel like this is gonna be really fun. What happens when it's done? Oh, it blinked. Machine complete. Press the unload button. And it's on your computer. There's no unload button here. Nice work. Peel the vinyl decal from the liner. Let's see how it did. Yeah, I mean, that is a clean cut. I wonder if this is supposed to be like a mini weeding tool. That thought just occurred to me, that this might be like a little test weeding tool. I bet that's what it is. For people who maybe this is their first machine and they don't have tools yet, this is like a little tester tool. So here's how it turned out. We're done. Our Cricut Joy is set up. It does come with several other materials for you to test out, which I'll tell you what they are. So it comes with another sheet of black smart vinyl to test with. It also comes with a sheet of gold. This is probably heat transfer vinyl because it doesn't have a backing. So it comes with gold HTV, like a metallic. It comes with a little piece of smart label, which I think this is a really cool, they do have this for the other Cricut machines, but I think this is a really cool use for the Cricut Joy, because this little smart label you can cut in any shape that you want, and then you can write on it. So it's a permanent sticker that you can write on with a Sharpie or a dry erase, and you can use it to label pantry bins, your kid's closet, whatever you want. I'm definitely gonna be using this. And then it also comes with a little sheet of transfer tape. So cool materials, cool product. Cannot wait to play more with the Cricut Joy Xtra. Definitely come back. I plan to make so many more projects with the Cricut Joy Xtra. Just after using it today and setting it up, I actually feel like I might regret saying this, but I feel like it might be my new always out machine. It takes up so much less space, and I feel like for the projects I tend to do, it cuts all those materials. So I'm excited to push it to its limits and see what it can really do. I hope you'll stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media if you're not already. My handle is @It'sLaraLambert. Everywhere that you are on social media, I'm there with that handle. definitely follow me, definitely subscribe, hit the bell icon, make sure you don't miss a thing because I'm gonna be making a ton more Cricut Joy Xtra videos coming up very soon. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week and happy crafting.